Bismillah, yuk. Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need. I'll give anything, anything to be free. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need, and I'll be on my way. Give us a sense of
Cheers dulu guys.
Give us a chance to be introspective. Cause I need to keep on going. Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. 'Cause we need to keep on going. 'Cause we need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinking.
Ha! 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 Mana jokinnya nah? Ya, jarang joget. Iya, sana lah, tarik sis.
Is this thing on? I can't tell, cause you never reply. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? Feels in me that they're laughing at when I step out. Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. Feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead, yeah. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply.
Mereka.
Slap myself around just to feel any pain. And if it do any good, you know I'd do it again and again.
Mereka apa euy?
You know these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind. That's you on the line.